So I have this old broken FM Bluetooth connector from a car. It stopped working, but I figured out the issue. But I got it hooked up to this DeWalt battery, and I bought this radio because I wanted it for this. But I realized the audio is pretty staticky. But I figured out if I take this long while, just put it right here, clears up the audio, and now let's give it a listen. Like for a cheap little radio, plus when I first got this was like 15 bucks. This is a pretty neat setup, and the sound is pretty clear, I gotta admit. I really like it.